In this video, I'm going to show you how to search keywords in Adobe Bridge. So it's super simple. You want to open Adobe Bridge, you want to go to the top right over here, and if you are in a folder where you want to search for keywords, you simply want to search for whatever keyword you want. So I have a keyword here which is called green. I'm going to search for it, press enter, and there we go. It's going to find all the images which basically have the green keyword. If I check over here, keywords, you can see the keyword on this image is green. So that's one way to do it. But if you want like advanced search, you want to go to the top here, click on the arrow down, so next to the search button to the very top right, click on that and click on advanced search. In here, you want to do a look in, and of course you want to select your folders. I'm going to do images, and then here criteria should be set to keywords. So by default, it's going to be something else. Scroll down to keywords, click on it, and you can go keywords contains, and then type in the keyword. I'm just going to do C, and then over here, I'm going to do a match. If any criteria are met, I'm going to click on find, and there we go. It's going to basically search by keywords in those specific folders. So that's the easiest way to search keywords in Adobe Bridge. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.